video I'm gonna show you how to create a YouTube channel step by step for beginners in 2020. So the first thing you're gonna do is just open your browser. For me, I'll just use the Mozilla Firefox. So in this video you should know that you can use an existing Google account or you can create a new one for your channel. So I am gonna use one of my existing channels, account, to create the channel. So here's how it's gonna be. First, you'll click the button sign in. Then I think the option should be there by now. Okay, so in this video I'm gonna use the demo tube. So I'll click it, then I'll have to write the password. I'll go next. I won't need anything to protect my channel because I don't need the channel. Alright, I already have one. So since you signed in, you'll be able to subscribe and do other stuffs. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna click the button create a channel. Then your creator journey begins. Then you get started. So create a channel using the name and picture on your Google account by selecting this option. You agree to this, or you can use a custom name. Create a channel using a brand or other name and picture. I'll use this option. So nice work. Your channel DemoTube has been created. So you have to follow the steps to complete. I need you to upload a picture and to keep a description. As for me, I'll just tell them welcome and enjoy. That's all. You need to upload a picture, add links to your site. I really don't need any link. So here you go. 7. Continue. So there's your channel. All you have to do is to organize your channel page, add update, your channel banner, and more. So if you wanna change the picture, the profile picture, or you wanna upload any video, you just click this place which says create a video. Feel like changing anything about your channel, like uploading your profile picture, you can click customize your channel to organize the channel to look more attractive. So let's wait, and we are in. You can add your channel art, you can change your profile picture, you can also, if you already had videos in your channel, you can also see them over here as the uploads. As for this channel, since it's new, you have nothing. You can also feature other accounts. So that's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, or like the video. Have a nice